Hello guys! So welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is pumunta kami sa river. So first time ko ngayon pumunta sa river dito sa Germany. Hindi ko akalain guys na ganito pala kalanda dito. Meron siyang park. Ayan guys, pwede kayong maglaro dyan, char. Anyway guys, hindi kami masyadong makagala ngayon kasi nga maulan dito sa Germany. Pero guys, okay naman. Kahit malamig. Pero sulit naman yung view dito guys. Ayan, kami ni boyfriend niya payong. Pero basa pa rin ako kasi hindi niya ako pinapayungan, char. Pero okay lang yun guys. Alam niyo guys, napakaganda na river dito. And hindi ko in-expect guys na sobrang laki pala ng river dito guys. Ayan, para siyang dagat. OMG. Pagdating ko dito guys, sabi ko ano ba to, dagat or river. Sabi ng parents niya, ganito yung normal na river dito sa Germany. Sabi ko sa Philippines kasi ang liit talaga ng river, as in pwede kang magsuswim. Pero dito guys, ginagamitan ng parang ganyan guys. Hindi ko alam anong tawag niya, nakalimutan ko kung ano yan siya guys. Ayan, alam niyo guys, napakaganda. Sobrang alamig ng hangin. Ayan, very peaceful. Basta guys, wala na akong masabi talaga. Guys, see. Ooh. We're going to the river. And I eat this one guys, but it stays so sour. There's a lot of here. Baby, it's not taste good. It's not taste sweet. But it's not gonna get me dead.
But I wouldn't eat it anyway.
So we're gonna eat it guys. That is there.
So.
Yeah. That one? You like that one?
Yeah.
What is this for your?
For my for a bit.
Also gonna buy this one?
Nah.
For me?
For you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the cheapest one.
Yeah, Joe.